Are you looking for the best water softeners? In this video we will look at some of the best water softeners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Whirlpool WIS 40E 40,000 Grain Softener. The Whirlpool WIS 40E 40,000 Grain Softener is a highly efficient water softening system designed to cater to the needs of households with 1 to 6 or more occupants. This innovative appliance is engineered to tackle common water quality issues, particularly hard water problems that can lead to various inconveniences and damage within a home. One of the standout features of the WIS 40E is its ability to remove up to 10 parts per million (ppm) of clear water, ferrous, iron. This capability ensures that your household water remains free from iron-related issues, which can include staining and buildup on plumbing and faucets. The reduction of iron in the water can also help prevent unsightly spots on dishes, making it a valuable addition to any home's water treatment system. Moreover, the Whirlpool WIS 40E has been NSF certified to effectively reduce hard water symptoms, such as stains and scale buildup. This certification ensures that the softener is capable of delivering the promised results, providing peace of mind to homeowners concerned about water quality. Number 2. Go OTG4 DeebleSoft Portable 16,000 Grain. The Go OTG4 DeebleSoft Portable 16,000 Grain Double Standard Softener and Amp Conditioner is a highly efficient water softening and conditioning unit designed specifically for RV and marine owners. It offers a significant improvement over the standard models, with the ability to produce double the amount of softened water, making it the largest compact RV softener available in the market. This unit is tailored to fit seamlessly with various RV and marine models, providing approximately 40% more soft water than its competitors. It boasts a simple regeneration process that only requires 2 boxes of common table salt and takes less than 30 minutes to complete. Once regenerated, it can supply the owner with soft water for up to 1,600 gallons or roughly 40 days, making it convenient for extended trips. The Go OTG4 DeebleSoft Portable 16,000 Grains compact design allows it to be installed in tight spaces, and it can maintain high flow rates with minimal pressure drop, ensuring efficient water supply. Its user-friendly features include a top carry handle for easy transport, a large mouth opening for hassle-free salt addition, and high-quality premium resin for optimal performance. Number 3. Aquasure Harmony Series 48,000 Grains. The Aquasure Harmony Series 48,000 Grains is a professional-grade water softener designed to provide ultra-softened water to every outlet in your home. It is specifically tailored to meet the needs of households with 3 to 4 bathrooms. This water softener offers several key benefits. The Aquasure Harmony Series reduces water hardness and prevents the buildup of scale. By doing so, it helps protect your household appliances, such as washing machines, dishwashers, and water heaters, from damage caused by hard water. This can significantly extend the lifespan of these appliances, saving you money on repairs and replacements. This water softener is rated to treat 48,000 grains of hardness, effectively removing skin-damaging hard minerals like calcium and magnesium from your water supply. By doing so, it eliminates issues related to clogged pores and skin irritation caused by hard water. Number 4. iSpring ED 2000 Whole House Water Descaler. The iSpring ED 2000 Whole House Water Descaler is an innovative solution designed to improve water quality by addressing the issue of hard water without the need for chemicals, salt, or regular maintenance. This descaler is engineered to maintain the essential minerals in your water while preventing the formation of scale deposits and breaking down existing scale. One of its key features is its reliability in descaling the entire water system, which helps prevent scale buildup within pipes. This not only ensures better water quality but also reduces energy consumption, offering an average payback period of just 1 year. The reduction in scale buildup can lead to increased appliance longevity, making it an environmentally friendly choice. The iSpring ED 2000 is particularly effective in areas with very hard water, typically measuring between 10 to 19 grains per gallon. Its eco-friendly design not only saves energy but also contributes to the overall well-being of individuals on salt-restricted diets and those looking to promote healthier skin and hair by using softened water.